Today I'm going to show you an upgraded version of the iDrive screen so we can turn this into this. So this is the base behind, and as you can see it's held in with 3 screws that go into here. Very nice fitment so far, look at that, not too much gap. The wires stick out through here, and then this will just kind of attach to these little sections right over here. So I already have my old wires pre-assembled from my previous install. If you need a detailed install DIY guide, I'll link a video in the description and on the top right hand corner so that you guys can see how to do this. But so far, so smooth. I'll show you guys the features of this new Android device once it's mounted onto my car, and you'll see how much bigger it is to the stock compared to the stock one. 8.8 inch versus 12.5 inch. So this is what it looks like from the back. As you can see, no gap. So the knob works. You can choose what you want. It's connecting to my Apple CarPlay wirelessly right now. This is what the screen looks like. While I was recording there, it automatically connected to Apple CarPlay. The iDrive knob still works while I'm in Apple CarPlay. That's my work address. Let's go ahead and shut that out. So if I hold the menu button, this will take us back to the OEM screen. Everything works, navigation works as well. So you can adjust your settings, check your vehicle info. I don't really use the OEM screen that often, except to probably just see what's going on with the car. Checking oil levels, tire pressure, and services, which I'm pretty much okay on everything because I stay on top of my maintenance. Let's go back to the fun screen, which is the iDrive, Android iDrive 6, I think, or no, iDrive 5. You can change the skin to a different setting. Here's all my apps I have. I have YouTube, Torque, where I can look at my IATs and engine temperatures. You got Google Maps, Play Store, you can install any app you want, play games, watch movies, whatever you can think of. Honestly, the main reason I wanted to upgrade to the bigger screen, it's not because it's bigger, it's because it's closer to me. Before, it was so sunken in and I had to lean forward and reach to touch the screen. Now I can just reach without having to lean forward. I'm still sitting in my chair and I can reach easily and do whatever I need to, and I'm still able to touch the screen. So everything is smooth. I have the 4GB model. If you can get the 6 or 8GB model, that would be even better. So overall, I recommend this if you really want something that's a bigger screen, you take long drives, and you want something for the passenger to watch while you're driving. It looks really unique and modern. It goes well with the car, just because of the big screen. It kind of removes the double hump and gives you almost like a single hump with a big screen in there. It takes a little while to get used to. I love that I can touch the screen now without having to reach forward. It's a lot easier for me. It's closer to my periphery too, so I can see without having to take my eyes off the road. Functionality is the same as any other Android iDevice or iDrive device, with the aftermarket Android settings available here as well. Whenever you just want to drive and turn the screen off, just press that X button and this screen will turn off and you can just focus on driving. Tap the screen to turn it back on, and if you ever need anything, that's there for you. So you have a lot of customization with this. Let me show you guys the backup cam. The steering lines work, and the PDC works too. So the interior definitely looks different from your normal E92 or E93 interior. Very happy with that screen, 12.5 inch screen. Looks amazing, HD. A lot of new features that you normally wouldn't have on a stock car. Very similar to my old Android 10 unit I used to have. I had an Android 10 unit from Avon, USA. This one that I got from Amazon is the same quality, same brand, same setup as before. So Check out my other video review on my old head unit that I used to have. Really the only difference I know is this one has wireless CarPlay and wired CarPlay out of the box, ready to go. You don't have to order a CarLink it USB dongle. This one just works. And this one also has, of course, the bigger screen, HD, Android 11, newer Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, and choice of 4 gigs, 6 gigs, or 8 gigs of RAM. Very fast. I don't have any issues with it so far. Check out my other videos if you want to see more in depth. This is just a quick review of the 12.5-inch Android 11 unit for your E9X M3 or E9X cars in general, 335 or 328. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good evening.